Hey, welcome to QS Classroom, where you get to know all about quantity surveying. This is our very first video, an intro to the channel, and a glimpse of the great things coming your way. Let's get right into it. Our very first question, what is quantity surveying? It's all about managing the financial and contractual aspects of construction projects. Now, during construction, we often only see the bricks and mortar coming together, the physical result. But what goes on behind the scenes, even before a single block is laid, is mostly hidden from view. From project initiation, budgeting and cost estimation, through cost control and contract management, all the way to final accounts and even the defects liability period, QSs handle it all quietly away from the camera. This channel will help us understand every step of that journey. So what do quantity surveyors actually do? We're involved in almost every phase of a construction project, from preparing cost estimates and advising on budgets to drafting tender documents, selecting contractors, and managing contracts. On site, we monitor progress, track payments, and make sure the money is being spent wisely. We also help value work done, manage variations, and prepare final accounts. Now, if some of these terms sound technical, like tender documents or variations, don't worry. In our upcoming videos, we'll break them all down for you, one by one. QS Classroom is here to guide you every step of the way. Quantity surveyors are everywhere, not just on construction sites. In Ghana, you'll find QSs working on roads in Kumasi, hospitals in Tamale, estates in East Legon, or school projects in the Western region. We work with different teams, and our role depends on where we are. On the client's team, we advise on budgets, prepare feasibility studies, and ensure value for money. With consultants, we handle cost planning, tender documentation, and cost control during design. On the contractor's side, we manage site costs, prepare payment applications, and handle subcontractor accounts. In government agencies, we help evaluate public infrastructure projects, vet claims, and monitor financial compliance. And in the banking or insurance sector, we assess project viability, vet disbursement claims, and track loan-backed construction funds. From roads to rooftops, QSs are the silent force ensuring financial discipline and accountability in construction. Wherever something is being built, there's likely a QS making sure the numbers make sense. To succeed as a quantity surveyor, you need more than just knowledge. You need the right tools. Here are some of the essentials every QS should become familiar with. Microsoft Excel. Used daily for preparing cost plans, bills of quantities, payment certificates, and cash flow projections. It's your QS calculator and tracker in one. FIDIC, JCT, and Ghana's Public Procurement Act, PPA. These are the rule books for contract administration. They guide how we handle variations, delays, payments, and disputes. DSMM-7, the standard method of measurement. It helps us prepare bills of quantities in a structured, standard format. PlanSwift, a takeoff software used to measure quantities quickly and accurately from drawings. AutoCAD helps us read and interpret architectural and structural drawings, a vital skill for any QS. WinQS, great for producing cost plans and bills, especially in African contexts where it's widely used. CostX, a powerful all-in-one tool for digital takeoffs, measurement, and estimating. Revit, a building information modeling, BIM, tool that helps us visualize and quantify elements directly from 3D models. These tools make our work faster, smarter, and more accurate. And here on QS Classroom, we'll show you exactly how to use each one, with clear walkthroughs and practical examples. Why should you care about quantity surveying? Why should you even follow this channel? Let's break it down. 1. A skill that pays. QS is one of the most in-demand professions in the construction world. Whether you're in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, the UK, or the Middle East, every construction project needs someone to manage the money and contracts. That's where we come in. 2. Versatility. You can work for a contractor, consultant, client, government agency, NGO, or even in banking and real estate finance. Your skills are valuable across many sectors. 3. Career growth. With experience and professional certification, such as GHIS, Ghana Institution of Surveyors, MRICS, member of the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, CIQS, Canadian Institute of Quantity Surveyors, or AIQS, Australian Institute of Quantity Surveyors, you can move up the ladder quickly, from quantity surveyor to commercial manager, and even to project lead. 4. Global relevance. The principles of QS are universal, so learning here prepares you for both local and international opportunities, from Accra to Abu Dhabi. 5. Our promise on QS Classroom will teach you practical knowledge, not just theory, from how to do takeoffs to preparing payment certificates, and even how to defend a variation claim on site. Whether you're a student, an intern, or already working in the field, this is the place to grow. So hit that subscribe button and let's build your QS journey one brick at a time. Welcome once again to QS Classroom. Here's what you can look forward to. Foundational series. What exactly is a bill of quantities? BOQ. How do you do a takeoff? What is tendering and how does it work? Understanding construction contracts like FIDIC, PPA, and JCT. Practical skills training. How to use tools like Excel for cost tracking, PlanSwift for digital measurement, AutoCAD for reading technical drawings, SMM7 and NRM2 for preparing BOQs, and how QSs actually apply them on real projects. Real-world case studies, Ghana and beyond. Walkthroughs of projects we've worked on, from schools and estates to commercial buildings. Step-by-step on how we estimated costs, monitored progress, handled variations, and more. Exam and certification guidance. Guidance on joining GHIS, preparing for MRICS, and other pathways for professional recognition. Tips on logbooks, diaries, and the APC process. Interviews and guest features. Hear from experienced quantity surveyors, consultants, contractors, and even government QSs. Learn from their wins, mistakes, and advice. Interactive learning, Q&A sessions, comment responses, live webinars, and maybe even a QS challenge series. You ask, we break it down for you. In short, if you're serious about understanding quantity surveying, this is where your journey begins. Subscribe, share with your colleagues, and join the QS Classroom family, where we build knowledge brick by brick.